Did you know that you can use powerful templates to customize your HTML export from Animate CC? Well, you shouldn't miss out on this episode. The default HTML export from Animate CC works fine to preview the project in your browser, but in many cases, you need to modify the HTML document to fit your requirements. For example, when creating banner ads, where you need a border around your creative and add something like ad size infos in your meta tag. If you need to do all this manually all the time, it becomes tedious and time consuming. Luckily, Animate offers templates for custom HTML export, so let's take a look at that. First of all, we create a new template. You can open the template in any code editor. Note that some values are generated from the project file, so we can dynamically use values like width and height, for example, to create the ad size meta tag. We can also add inline CSS, for example, to create a solid black border around the canvas. It is not only cheap in regards to file size, but it will also always outline the entire creative, so it is perfect for our banner purpose here. Once we are done editing, we can save the template and go back to Animate. Here we can now apply the template, not only for this project, but for every banner in this example. It might not look like much, but it is a huge time saver. And I've just scratched the surface here. I mean, you can modify pretty much everything. Change the CDN, change the information that you want to convey, add some custom JavaScript, you name it. I hope you enjoyed this little episode and you can now improve your Animate workflows using this knowledge. If you have any questions, use the comment section below and also check out more videos on this channel and visit tourdeanimate.com for tons of free stuff like this template, for example. Happy animating!